Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add text to your videos inside of CapCut. So I'm just going to quickly import a few video clips here into my media browser, and I'm going to drag and drop them into my timeline. So this is the first video, and let's say I want to add some text to the video. I'm going to go on over to the text tab here that you can find at the top left of your screen. And as you can see, you should already see the default text option here. So if you'd like to start there, that's what you can add. Just click on the plus button and it should appear on the video preview here at the right. But there are also some templates that you can choose from. Some of them are free, some of them require a subscription to CapCut Pro, which is a little unfortunate. That's why I recommend getting used to making your own templates for now. So there are also a lot of really good classic ones that can be pretty useful, like this one here, and it also comes animated. So for now, I'm going to show you how the default text looks like and what you can do to make it look better. So I'm going to click on the plus button that appears when I mouse over it, and it should get added to the timeline where the playhead is placed. So now, if you look at the right-hand side of your screen, top right, right beside your video preview, you're going to be able to see the properties window. And here, you can change what is written. So maybe, let's say, for example, we want to change this to drone footage, and then we can change the font style. There are plenty of to choose from. These are the ones that I've recently used. So let's go with that. Then you can also increase the size here, as well as some of the stylization. You can make it underlined, you can make it italic, you can also make it bold. So the color and the case, you can also change it very quickly there. So for the color, I'm pretty satisfied with white. You can also keyframe this and animate the color, but that's a bit more advanced and out of the scope of this video. So there are also some preset styles if you'd like to choose one from the list. I usually like to use the drop shadow just because it gives a bit more contrast with white text and makes it a bit more readable. We can also use this shadow outline or feather effect, but I like to use this one. It's a bit more noticeable. So you can also change stuff like the shadow here and add your own, or the glow effect, even the stroke, the outline, and yeah, so there's plenty of options and properties to edit here, but that's pretty much the gist of this video. Now you're going to be able to move this around and freely position it wherever you'd like. So let's say I want to place it here at the top. That way it fits the perspective of the video. Then we're going to play it. Here's the video preview. It looks a little pixelated right now. So let's change that to full quality. There we go. And there's our drone footage. There's our text that appears. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.